guys, it's Jazz from Jazzy Slime. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm so excited to show you this video. One of the things I love doing most is mixing makeup and nail polish into slime. So today I'll be doing a red versus gold, and I'll be mixing a bunch of makeup like foundation and lip gloss, lipstick, eyeshadow, eye gel, and then I'll even throw in some paint and glitter and glue and things like that just to really mix it up. But first, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get started. I've just got some clear slime at the bottom of each bowl. At first, I'll mix each bowl separately and then I'll mix them all together in the end. We'll start off with this blush palette. It's called Sweet Cheeks, and I'll just crush some shades of dark, almost dark pink as it appears on screen, but it's actually red. So we'll just quickly crush that up. Again, mixing blush or eyeshadow into slime gives it a really vibrant colour. We'll just mix in some gold now. I love mixing gold into clear slime. It blends with the slime beautifully. Now we have an eyeshadow palette. It's called a Blaze, and we'll just crush up some gold eyeshadow and another one. This one's got a tinge of pink through it, but it is gold. And another one. This one isn't so glittery, it's more matte finish. Just put all those in. Now over to the pinks. It's actually quite a nice rosy red. Mix that one in as well. I love crushing eyeshadow, it's so much fun. Now some eye gel, all glitter. This one's a bit of gold, beautiful, beautiful gold, and a bit of yellow glitter. Again, just getting that in there to really bring out the gold. Some rose gold glitter, that's super pretty as well. And this one's a bit darker. It's like a rose gold, but a little bit darker. Now we'll pop in some of this dark pink / red glitter gel. And another one. Get that one in. Moving on to some gold glitter paint. Pop some of that in. And some yellow paint. Some red glitter paint. And some red paint. I can't wait to mix all this in. Now time for some nail polish. We'll start with this beautiful gold one. Some rose gold glitter nail polish. Just a little bit more. Some more gold glitter nail polish. Just a couple of different little shades. Pop that one in. And the last one. This one's full of gold glitter. Now some red glitter nail polish. That's pretty cool. And then some red nail polish. Some more red nail polish. And some red lip gloss. Some more red lip gloss. Dab that in. Some more nail polish. This one's a glitter one with a bit of red and green and silver. And on the other end is some red nail polish. Some gold glitter lip gloss. This lip gloss is actually really cute. You can just put it on your lips, or you can put a different colour on first and then the glitter lip gloss on top, and it's a little bit sparkly and it's a bit cute. This one's some gold glitter, some more gold glitter. Time for some more eyeshadow. This one's a beautiful gold. Just break that up. Oh, so awesome. Some more gold eyeshadow. Some gold glitter paint. Cute little bottle. Some red lip gloss. And another red lip gloss. I like that one better. It's a lot more red than the first one. This is some red lip colour. Some red glitter paint. This one's actually strawberry scented, which is really nice. Now it's time to mix. Again, just fold the slime over itself. That way you can keep all the ingredients inside and it doesn't spill out as much. Check out all that gold. I'm so excited to see how this slime ends up. Just keep mixing it through, guys. Fold it in, and a bit more, and mix it through. Just gently massage it all in. You can see it slowly all coming together. This slime is so stretchy. Nice and thick. Get some air in. And try to get some bubble pops. Yep, awesome. There you go. It's mixed, almost mixed through completely there. You can see the glitter. Slime is a lot softer now that it's all mixed through. Now onto the red. Just pushing it all down a little bit. And here we go. Fold the slime on top of itself, keeping all the ingredients inside. This one, I know it's just going to be a little messier than the gold. Looks a little bit like blood. go, let's mix it through, fold it in, massage it through, try to combine all those ingredients. Here we go, you can see it combining slowly. Oh nice, look at that red. Gorgeous. That is beautiful. All the ingredients have come together nicely and made the slime such a pretty red. Slime's so silky. Now it's time to mix the two together. A bit of red on the left and some gold on the right. I wonder what colour it'll make once it's combined. Wow, these two colours are gorgeous together. A nice little swirl. And another one. Wow, so pretty, these two colours. It's almost a rose goldish colour, or a bit of a rose gold tinge, but obviously the red will come through a bit more than the gold. But that's beautiful, the colour. I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Have a great day.